Hey everyone, I just did a little video to tell you about the show I'm doing today. But at the end of that video, I was telling you about the bowls in the back of the room. So this is the card that is in the bowls. It's called the Empty Bowls Project. So if you're interested, you can probably look it up online, and I do believe that they are all over so that you can participate and go buy some bowls. These would be a good Christmas present, birthday present for a good cause. Okay, on with my video. Hey everyone, it's Elaine at Larkin Lane Creations. Well, I'm at it again. Yep, it's the season, as you know. So I'm in Americus, Georgia today at the Arts Council, and the building, they have refurbished it somewhat, and so they're having a little mini craft fair today, and it's from 10 until 4. So the best part is I'm inside. So as you can see, of course I still have some of my goodies, but this is going to be the show. So I wanted to give you an idea again, some of the things that I have, and they are priced to go. You can hear there's other people setting up. I'm going to take a little flash around the building just so you can see. And it's a season to be jolly. Now this is the booth that's next to me. They do a lot of wood stuff. And then I'm just going to give you a span of what has been set up so far. As you can see, there's a lot of tables that are dressed, and this is the Arts Council building. They are continuing to work on it all the time. They do pottery, they've done glass blowing, all sorts of things go on here. That back there behind my booth are the bowls that they do to feed the hungry. It's a program where you come and buy a bowl for at least $15, and I believe then they send meals to certain individuals that are in need. So anyway, this is us again. As I said, it's a good time to do Christmas. Get some presents, get some decorations, come have a warm cup of coffee. I know that I will be putting this video up after the show, but if your community ever has any of these, get involved, whether it is showing your goods, selling your goods, or just volunteering to help them. We all can do it, and it's things that we all can do. Bye.